In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pixel perfect resize shapes in Draw.io for Confluence. If you've ever had boxes, icons, or connectors that are just a little off, this will help you nail exact dimensions and perfectly aligned visuals. We'll start in Confluence and then use two precise resizing techniques inside the Draw.io editor. First, get to a place where you can edit. In Confluence, go to Add Page and choose New Page within your space. This gives you a clean canvas to work on. Open or insert your Draw.io diagram on the page so you can select a shape. Any basic rectangle, icon, or container will work for this demonstration. Now for pixel perfect resizing with a shortcut. Click to select the shape you want to adjust. Move your cursor over a corner or an edge handle until it changes to the resize indicator. Press and hold the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on a Mac. While holding that key, click and drag the handle. You'll notice the shape now changes in exact 1 pixel increments, giving you very fine control. If you're resizing from a corner, you'll adjust both width and height at once. From a side handle, you'll change just one dimension. Watch for the small on-screen size readout that shows width by height in pixels as you drag. For clean, crisp results, try zooming in so you can see changes more clearly. To keep the shape's proportions locked while you resize, continue holding Alt or Option and add the Shift key. Drag with Alt plus Shift to scale up or down without distorting the aspect ratio. This is especially useful for icons or logos that need to remain symmetrical. Release the mouse first, then the keys to preserve the precise size you landed on. If the shape still looks slightly off, repeat the drag briefly to nudge it exactly where you want it. There's also a precise form-based method using the Format panel. With your shape selected, open the Format panel on the right and switch to the Arrange tab. You'll see fields for width and height. Type the exact pixel values you need and press Enter to apply them. This method is ideal when you already know the target dimensions or when you want multiple shapes to match exactly by entering the same numbers. You can also use the up and down arrow keys in those fields to adjust by a single pixel. If you want to maintain proportions while typing, enable the aspect ratio lock if it's available in your layout. That's it. Use Alt or Option for 1 pixel control, add Shift to keep proportions, or enter exact values in the Arrange tab when you know the numbers. With these techniques, your Confluence diagrams will look clean, consistent, and professionally aligned every time.